Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to show you the new digital prints in the shop this week. And this is a little arrow that I cut out with my left hand. I wanted to see if I could cut with my left hand. Not too bad. I could probably need to trim a little bit there, but a little slow, but I can do it. I am going to bring my Big Brother Scan and Cut, and I'm going to try and cut some of these out. Okay, so more peppermint. I wanted more colors. So this week we got purple. So we have it in the giant size. I think it was 5.5, 4 3/4, and 3.5 inch or 3 inches. Then we have a full sheet of 1.5, 1 1/4, and 1 inch. Then there's also the 2 inch. Now I didn't print everything off because it's a big release this week. So the second peppermint that I wanted, look how well that coordinates. Wait till you see the next color even more. This is like a shade darker, so it's like the turquoise. So we got it in the 2 inch, the mega one. So you have the 1.5, the 1 1/4, and the 1 inch in the turquoise. And then you have what that you can use for your December daily. So it has 31 days. It has the white font or the white text and the black text. And then there's the deep teal. And look, that is the exact color of my nail polish. So you have the 1.5, the 1 1/4, and the 1 inch. I didn't do my nails, by the way. My second daughter came over and washed my hair, and she's like, "Do you want me to do your nails?" And I was like, "Sure." So this is the color that I chose. So then you have the 2 inches and then the big mega ones again. And then you have the numbers. Then I wanted, in the first release, there was a light pink and I wanted a deep pink. So in the pink too, like you have the 1.5, the 1 1/4, the 1 inch. I keep getting phone calls. So I don't know what I've said and what I haven't said. And then the big ones. And then again, the numbers with the white text and the black text so that you can use it for your December daily. Now the second release this week, and that too, I've only printed a few because I counted, there's 26 colors. So these are Christmas words. So you have stuff like happy holidays, bells, decorating, tradition, ornaments, candy, Santa, laughter, happy holidays, December 25th, presents, 'tis the season, gingerbread, cookies, and then again on one sheet, you have the black text and you have the white text. So that comes in 26 different colors and it coordinates with all our other embellishments. So we always do stuff the same shades so that everything coordinates. So like I said, I think I only printed like 6 or 7 of them, but it comes in all our colors. And then I wanted something that wasn't Christmassy. So I got him to do some coffee cups, but these are like your takeout coffee cups. So here's a 2 version. This week, there's only the 1.5, and I think it's going to fit in a 1 3/4 punch, but I'm not sure because I don't have a 1 3/4 punch, but I don't think they're that hard to cut out. I just ordered a 1 3/4 punch and I'll check to see, but they're not that difficult to cut out. They're the takeout coffee mugs. So that comes in all of our colors. So you have like the bright orange, you have the blue, you have the light gray. Things are a whole lot more difficult with just one hand, I can tell you. You have the green, you have the yellow, you have the brown, the pink, the red. I think I pretty much printed off all the coffee cups because I love coffee cups. and then you have the teal turquoise, and then we have it in our collections. So you have Cozy Cafe, you have Pastel Paradise, you have Radiant Rainbow, you have Seasoned Spices, Apples and Oranges, and Summer Carnival. Like, that's 2 different ones. And just so you know, there's going to be more to follow. There's going to be like the 1 inch, and then probably a 2 inch, and then true to our what we always do is make the big die cuts, the big coffee cup, so that you can use it as a big embellishment on your layout. And these are 2 versions, but there's so many other versions that I want him to make of the coffee cups, and we'll probably put 2 per sheet like that, so that we get lots of coffee cups. But that's it. That is everything that is available in our shop this week. Now, don't forget, for best results, print borderless. And because I had a lady or someone say, well, I wish it would fit the punches. It does fit the punches. Like the viewfinders, if it's 2 inch, it's 2 inches and it fits the punches, but you got to make sure to print borderless. And these, the 1.5 inch punch fits, the 1 1/4 and the 1 inch. And so print borderless. These are all digital prints. So once you have your file, you can print them over and over and over again. And, oh, I just want to mention that I was supposed to have a virtual crop on November 21st. Obviously, if you can tell, I broke my arm. So I'm going to have to push that back, because next Wednesday I'll know more. If next Wednesday they just take off this cast, I don't know if you can tell, but it's totally twisted. Like, I can't do anything because of the way the cast is. Like, it's crooked, and it makes it really hard. And I know a lot of people are saying, like, don't do anything. Take the doctor, the surgeon told me, use your arm. Like, don't lift heavy with it, but you need to use your arm because you're going to need physio if you don't. So I'm trying to use my arm. So I still want to do the virtual crop because I want to keep going with life. And I don't want my arm to get to the point that it affects me for life, if you know what I mean. Like, if I don't, if I just stay and do nothing, that it's going to affect me for life. So I might tweak it. Maybe it's not going to be 12 hours. It might be, maybe 8 hours or 10 hours, but it's not going to be in a row. It'll be over a whole weekend. And I'll do like between 1 or 2 hours at a time and make a page or so and then take a break. And just because my personality is stopping is driving me bananas. So be watching for that. I will definitely be posting as soon as I know more, and that's on November 18th. I think it's too close for the 21st. I don't want to put it up for sale now, because if they end up having to break my arm on the 21st to replace it, I go back down to 0. I go back down to what it was at the beginning, and it's going to take a good week to 2 weeks to get back to where I am right now, that I can stand being up for a few hours. So that's it. Go look in the shop for all these new digital prints. The link is in the description box below. Oh, one more thing. Make sure that you look in my description box for my Facebook group, Nicole Jones 911. And on that Facebook group, there's a party going on over there. Every month, there's a challenge now. This month is to scrap a layout that you are thankful, 5 things that you are thankful for on one layout. And then there's, also using these 5 things. And then everybody that participates, there's a place to put your photo in the album. And then at the end of the month or the beginning of the next month, I will pick a winner and you get 10 digital prints. It's going to be done randomly. And then every Sunday, there is a challenge every Sunday. So that's it. I think that's it. I just have so much to talk about. So now I'm done. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.